we are now presenting our check of almost $9,000 to the Colonial Neighborhood Council. Man, we are just really thankful that we were able to get all these donations. So a quick thank you to everyone who helped participate in our charity drive.
Yep, participation was overwhelming, and we really appreciate everyone that participated and got involved in it. It's a real awesome charity that we've been part of for a long time. And more importantly, it's nice to see where your money is actually going to go to. So we have Sandy here who runs the CNC. And Sandy, where does this money go to? Like, where does it go into the community?
Well, lots of people are struggling with paying their rents, keeping their utilities on, having to decide, do I pay the rent this time? Do I keep the lights on? Do I get heating for my family? So they come to us and we help them out.
Awesome. So yes, I guess we'll be able to help out a decent amount of families with the utility bills or whatever else.
Rental assistance.
Rental assistance.
Yeah, because Meals on Wheels, a lot of really good local things that the CNC is involved in. So we're very thankful to be a part of it. And more importantly, we want to thank everybody for participating. It really means a lot to everybody here in the